After being grilled by the Enforcement Directorate for 5 hours on Monday, Bollywood superstar Aishwarya Rai Bachchan landed in Mumbai earlier today. The actor's name was leaked in the Panama Papers controversy, and that's the reason why she was questioned yesterday. The actor's grilling comes just days after her husband Abhishek Bachchan was also summoned by the ED for questioning in the same case. Now, according to the Panama Papers, Aishwarya Rai and her family members were allegedly appointed directors of a firm in the British Virgin Islands with an initial capital of $50,000. Apart from the Bachchan family, other celebrities who were exposed or named in the Panama Papers list includes Aishwarya Rai's brother and parents, and also fellow Bollywood star Ajay Devgan. As Aishwarya Rai was being interrogated by the Enforcement Directorate, the most viral image yesterday was of her mother, Jaya Bachchan, who is a Samajwadi Party Rajya Sabha MP, having a huge angry meltdown inside Parliament after she was apparently provoked by someone in the Treasury benches. Take a look in case you missed it, and then I'll tell you what she's done today. But first, see how she reacted in Parliament yesterday.
What are you saying? Tell me, what are you saying? Have the courage to stand up and speak and make such nasty remarks.
I think you are not interested. I think you are not interested. I'm calling the next member. I think
ये जो अभी बोल के गए वो आप रखेंगे?
आपका जो बोलना.
Expect you to take action on the comment that he made about me and my children.
That will be.
You want to be fair? You're sitting on the chair. You don't belong to any party, sir. You do justice, or you tell the whole house and that you don't believe in justice. He made a personal remark.
Well, that was Jaya Bachchan in a very, very angry avatar. But in an exclusive conversation with India today on Tuesday, a day after that big outburst, Jaya Bachchan talked about that big angry meltdown in Parliament and on Aishwarya Rai, her Bahu's Enforcement Directorate summons. India Today's Supriya Bharadwaj, as always, gets you the big news break and exclusive.
We saw very emotional side of yours in Rajya Sabha yesterday. What led to it?
I am an emotional person. मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ हाउस में कि मैं बुद्धिजीवी नहीं हूँ, मैं हृदय जीवी हूँ. मैं हृदय से बात करती हूँ और मैंने वही किया.
What exactly happened that triggered the entire meeting?
I was against this whole discussion on DRDO when we have very important subjects like Kisan, price rise, so many other important subjects. वो आप डिस्कस करने के लिए तैयार नहीं. हमारे 12 मेंबर्स एक महीने से बाहर बैठे हैं. We are not ready to discuss it. You are discussing DRDO. It is actually, there is a clerical error. एक कॉमा का error है. उसको डिस्कस करने के लिए आपने 3 और 4 मिनट. I was angry with that. That's not being fair. That's not being just. They don't believe in fairness. They only believe in muscle power.
Your daughter-in-law, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan.
No, I don't want to talk about that. I don't want to talk about myself, my family. That's different.
Some of your colleagues said that it's because you are speaking so loudly against the government. Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Rao ji said, जया जी आवाज बुलंद करके बात कर रहे हैं. जो कल आपने कहा था कि बच्चों जया जी आवाज बुलंद करके उठाती हैं, इसलिए टारगेट कर रहे हैं. So this is what you said yesterday.
अरे भाई, अंग्रेजी में कहा है तो ना, सिंकिंग शिप में सबसे पहले कौन भागता है? हाँ? सिंकिंग शिप में कौन भागता है? वही हो रहा है. डरे हुए हैं यूपी से. इन लोग घबरा गए हैं लाल टोपियों से. ये लाल टोपी ही एक दिन इन लोगों को कटघरे पे खड़ा कर देगी.
And all this hangama really happened because Jaya Bachchan was on edge and was triggered emotionally over Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, her daughter-in-law, being grilled for 5 hours by the Enforcement Directorate in the National Capital on Monday, I beg your pardon. Jaya Bachchan has also alleged that her Bahu was made to wait by the Enforcement Directorate for hours before the interrogation actually began. The former Miss World was questioned over the Panama Leaks case. India Today has the line of questioning that Aishwarya was subjected to. Munish Pandey brings you this exclusive report.
Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, former Miss World, actor and daughter-in-law of megastar Amitabh Bachchan. The diva, who sweeps millions of her fans off their feet every day, was seen walking out of the ED office after a 5-hour marathon grilling on Monday. Shutterbugs mobbed Ash, donning an overcoat and dark glasses as she left the agency headquarters. But why was she summoned? What is this really about? The infamous Panama Papers, exposed a few years ago, alleged that Aishwarya, her father, mother and brothers were allegedly appointed directors of an offshore firm, Amic Partners, in 2004. The firm, incorporated in the tax haven British Virgin Islands, had an initial startup capital of $50,000. However, Aishwarya's status was relegated to being a shareholder in 2005. The company declared inactive 3 years later. India Today has the line of questioning that Aishwarya was subjected to. What is your association with offshore firm Amic Partners? Do you know the law firm where Mossack Fonseca registered the firm? Firm's directors include you and your family members. What can you tell about this? Why did you become a shareholder from director in 2005? Why did the company become inactive in 2008? Was permission from RBI sought for financial transactions? This was Aishwarya's third summons. She had managed to defer the last two she received.
After evading the summons twice, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan appeared before the Enforcement Directorate office in National Capital, where she was questioned for more than 4.5 hours under Foreign Exchange Management Act. Sources say Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, during her questioning, denied all the allegations. But the Enforcement Directorate officials have told India Today that they are going to analyze the statement of Aishwarya Rai, and if required, she would be called again for questioning. With cameraman Hitesh, this is Munish Pandey in Delhi for India Today.
And while Aishwarya Rai was being grilled by the Enforcement Directorate, her mother-in-law, who is a Samajwadi Party MP, was having a huge outburst inside Parliament. In case you missed what happened, we were there to bring every moment of it for you. Take a look.
देखिए, आपके बुरे दिन बहुत जल्द आने वाले हैं। और फिर भी ना बैठे, चलाई घोड़ दीजिए हम लोगों को। आप लोग चलाइए।
A superstar meltdown in Parliament. Jaya Bachchan, all fire and brimstone after allegedly being triggered by her political rivals. Listen again, and you can clearly hear what Mrs. Bachchan is so angry about.
How dare he do it? I expect you to take action on the comment that he made about me and my children. We want justice.
The First Lady of Bollywood was flying into this monumental rage hours after her superstar Bahu, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, answered summons for a grilling by the Enforcement Directorate in the Panama Leaks case. Jaya Bachchan's angry avatar has been a familiar sight over the years in Parliament. But for the Samajwadi Party MP, it was totally personal and she let it show.
बुरे दिन बहुत जल्द आने वाले हैं। बहुत जल्दी आने वाले हैं।
As the meltdown lit up TV screens across the country, the party that was being angrily scolded by Jaya was quick to comment. The insinuation is that Jaya, who lost her cool today when triggered about her daughter-in-law, was conspicuously silent last week when two of her party colleagues came under widespread attack for their comments on the marriageable age of women.
लड़कियों को ज़्यादा उम्र बढ़ा देने से बहरहाल हालात बिगड़ेंगे।
बच्चियों की एज जिस वक्त वो मैच्योर हो जाएं और फर्टाइल एज में आ जाएं तो शादी हो जानी चाहिए।
A day later, Jaya Bachchan slammed the Modi government again, alleging a witch hunt against her family, adding that her daughter-in-law Aishwarya Rai Bachchan was made to wait for hours by the Enforcement Directorate before interrogation.
मैं पर्सनल बात पे नहीं जाऊंगी, आप बुरा मत मानिए मुझे, मगर मैं एजेंसी आप इनोसेंट लोगों को विदाउट एविडेंस पनिश कर रहे हैं, जेल में डाल रहे हैं, मतलब क्या है आपका? तो जो अफसर इस तरह के काम कर रहे हैं, दे आर यूजिंग पावर बिकॉज दे कैन. आप उनको क्यों नहीं सजा देते हैं? हिंदुस्तान देख रहा है. आप कितने देर तक, कब तक लोगों को डरा के इस तरह से रखेंगे? ये दिस इज आवर हिस्ट्री. हम लोगों ने अंग्रेजों को भगाया, ये कैसे? अंग्रेज भी तो यही करते थे, डरा के रखते थे.
A cold Delhi winter interrupted by a heated flare-up in the August House. Politics in India only served hot. Bureau Report, India Today.
What are you saying?